Virtual Beings News Summary September 30, 2025. Media and Performance uses Span VTubers, AI actors, and open avatar tech. VTubers in Japan are driving real-world attendance while performing through animated avatars that interact with audiences, demonstrating a resilient live-to-screen pipeline for synthetic performers. In film, the Tilly Norwood AI actress case shows a creator deploying a fully synthetic character as an artistic choice while confronting guild and audience concerns over substitution. On the technology side, NVIDIA's open sourcing of Audio Two-Face lowers barriers for studios and indie creators to produce synchronized digital humans, seeding broader availability of lifelike facial animation for games, streaming, and metaverse shows. Virtual influencers and customizable avatars are being operationalized for reach and retention. BBC's demonstration of building virtual influencers with generative AI underlines how brand-ready synthetic personas can be prototyped rapidly, while raising disclosure expectations to maintain audience trust. Platform-level avatar features, such as Meta's option to present avatars instead of faces during video calls and export them to profiles like Notion, show how generative pipeline tooling and distribution channels converge to keep users within ecosystem services. Open sourcing core avatar animation and improved creator interfaces accelerate synthetic character production. Audio Two-Face's release provides developers with speech-to-face animation for digital humans without licensing friction, supporting modding, indie titles, and social 3D experiences. The same generative pipelines highlighted by platform reporting enable users to design characters from simple prompts or selfies, compressing the asset creation cycle for streamers and creators who rely on avatars. Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation launched a digital double of Minister Mihailo Fedorov, permitting citizens to interact with an AI-driven ministerial representative. This illustrates public sector adoption of digital humans to scale constituent interactions and convey information at ministerial face value without requiring live presence. Academic work points to AI and VR-mediated, avatar-based support networks for bereavement, with references to Meta's Reality Labs signaling platform research interest in therapeutic presence. This complements the broader afterlife avatar discourse where grief bots and ghost bots are discussed as synthetic companions designed to emulate deceased individuals, opening clinical and counseling questions about efficacy, consent, and long-term impact. Personal AI companions are proliferating while raising safety and integrity issues. Commentary on Shai's Grok companions highlights immediate popularity and the persuasive, flattering behavior patterns that can blur boundaries of authenticity. Psychology coverage flags potential mental health risks from intensive companion use. Together, these sources frame a maturing class of synthetic partners that require clear guardrails, transparency, and research into user outcomes. Public festivals and heritage practices are adopting synthetic icons and generated ornamentation. Kolkata's Durga Puja plans AI idols and digital Alpona, signaling community-scale acceptance of synthetic religious imagery and computational art. In parallel, the afterlife avatars debate extends to cultural and philosophical questions about remembrance, identity, and digital immortality as societies experiment with dialogic memorialization through avatars. Epic Games' MetaHuman within Unreal Engine 5.6 is shown enabling lip sync with mood control via local TTS and face scan-based character creation, establishing a real-time pipeline from acquisition to performance. Unity is recruiting for AI authoring that uses hierarchical reinforcement learning and AI planning/goal inference to scale autonomous agent behaviors, formalizing engine-level support for complex NPCs. Discord's avatar decorations represent a live identity layer with timed or promotional assets that affect visual presence. Roblox's R15 rig architecture demonstrates how global avatar settings may not automatically transfer to imported rigs, affecting proportions and consistency. Linden Labs' Second Life provides a persistent virtual world where avatars participate in social and economic systems. YouTube functions as the distribution venue for tutorials, reviews, and courses on digital humans and virtual beings, while Google's Veo 3 is positioned in creator job posts as the video generation backbone for AI avatar content in commerce. Jock AI positions Avatarx as a realism-focused AI avatar tool for digital human content production, targeting creators who need lifelike on-camera characters. TikTok hosts ongoing VTuber performances and creator milestones that rely on animated avatars for personality-driven entertainment and fan interaction. The Resurrect Myself tutorial exemplifies self-produced digital doubles for personal storytelling and presence, reflecting a creator-led shift towards synthetic performers who confront videos, streams, or narrative vignettes. The Indie Stones project Zomboid community seeks stable single-player NPC mods, Bethesda's Morrowind community explores dynamic property/NPC feasibility. BioWare/Beamdog-oriented players review Baldur's Gate 2 NPC mods, and Facepunch's Gary's Mod remains a sandbox for NPC experimentation, while Valve's Steam community anchors discovery and support for these mods. Together, these cases show sustained player demand for authored and emergent NPC behaviors, coupled with ecosystem-level tooling and distribution for user-generated character logic. Upwork advertises roles combining Google's Veo 3 and AI avatars to produce viral product videos for direct-to-consumer brands, demonstrating practical deployment of synthetic presenters in paid and organic social channels. Patreon's AI Beauty Girl illustrates subscription monetization for bespoke synthetic character imagery, reflecting a creator economy where virtual personas are commissioned as visual products for individual patrons and niche audiences. AV Club reports that Terrence Stamp proactively avoided posthumous digital clone use by finishing scenes for Priscilla, Queen of the Desert 2, underscoring consent and authenticity boundaries for synthetic casting. The Hollywood Reporter documents the creator of AI actress Tilly Norwood responding to audience backlash to an AI talent studio project, highlighting tensions around disclosure, labor, and audience acceptance when virtual performers are marketed as actress equivalents in mainstream media. Shandong Digital Human Technology presented anatomy education systems that use digital human modeling at the Vietnam International Medical Device Exhibition, the Global Digital Trade Expo, and the 92nd China International Medical Equipment Fair, positioning its tools for medical training and demonstration workflows. In Chengdu, a hospital blood donation capsule integrated an AI virtual host based on the Chengdu Blood Center mascot to guide donors through the end-to-end process and generate commemorative videos, showing clinical adoption of virtual presenters for wayfinding, education, and engagement. Telly embedded a virtual host named Fiori into its ad-supported smart TV experience to cycle entertainment news and trailer clips, occasionally pairing Fiori with a second virtual presenter to comment on trending posts, illustrating a persistent living room screen MC that blends editorial snippets with commerce prompts. Chongzuo Technology released a multi-pose AI avatar short video system designed to maintain output quality under occlusion and varied capture conditions, with 24/7 technical support and operator training to scale synthetic spokesperson production. In destination marketing, Ningxiang's municipal leadership used an AI digital human version of Party Secretary Zhang Zuolin in seamless alternation with the real person to introduce cultural and travel assets at the city's development conference, demonstrating executive avatars for place branding. Hangzhou Second Life Technology demonstrated an AI plus 3D scanning booth that produces human clone digital doubles, which can be deployed in games and metaverse spaces, alongside matching physical figurines, indicating a capture-to-runtime pipeline for consumer interactive characters. Kindai Company, a Kanazawa University spin-off, launched AI Jinji Toku, which converts corporate introduction slides into videos narrated by a digital human, eliminating filming and on-camera talent for rapid, low-cost HR and PR explainers. Alibaba Cloud introduced the new AI Intelligent Agent digital human platform aimed at reducing creation and deployment barriers with minute-scale image generation and dialogue activation. Tencent enabled WeChat official accounts creators to build digital doubles supported by the Hunyuan model, with optional knowledge bases and prompt configuration for branded virtual operators. ITR reported rapid growth in Japan's conversational AI engine and digital human market, quantifying year-over-year expansion and signaling enterprise demand for production-grade avatar systems. China Mobile Henan, working with ZTE, received an ICT China 2025 First Prize for 5G New Calling AI Digital Human, Crossing Barriers, Hearing the World, reflecting carrier-grade deployment of avatar agents as accessibility mediators inside enhanced voice and video calling. At the Global Digital Trade Expo's Digital Entertainment Heroes Debate 123 event in Hangzhou, 6 digital virtual humans debated 3 hot cultural topics associated with the new 3, showcasing multi-speaker programming with synthetic personalities. Shanghai's Metaverse Development Forum used hybrid showcases with XR devices and digital human imagery to present 3 years of regional progress. Germany's Federal Commissioner for Culture unveiled a multilingual AI double-named Weimatar to publicly critique TikTok's aesthetics, indicating state use of synthetic presenters in cultural discourse. China's National Radio and Television Administration approved Digital Virtual Human Technical Requirements, G/T411-2024, including a requirement for separate notice when processing a person's voice or face. Establishing disclosure expectations for avatar systems, legal commentary cited China's first virtual digital human infringement case, and the first intelligent robot case to examine accountability in AI-assisted creation and delineate responsibilities in human-machine co-creation. Seoul outlined plans to position virtual humans inside its social platform as both emotional support companions and bridges to human relationships, aiming to raise perceived aliveness of synthetic personas and formalize supportive interactions for users. Chongjuo AI Technology positions its AI digital human live streaming system for rapid, multi-pose, avatar-hosted production in live stream and short video pipelines, while Zhejiang Exporter's workflows demonstrate an AI agent that turns product specs into multilingual scripts, auto-edits with brand assets, and outputs voice-cloned, digital human-anchored videos in about 4 minutes, and Heilong Jiang's Zwot artificial intelligence technology extends this commercialization track with tools like Kunju, fully automatic marketing AI employee, AI Peng Peng editing system, and an AI digital human system aimed at continuous content operations and SME adoption. China Mobile Communications Group Hanan and ZTE Corporation combine operator networks with the 5G New Call AI Digital Human, crossing barriers to improve accessible service interactions, while Harbin New Area's Baby AI Government Officer adopts a digital human interface for public-facing information tasks, together indicating a path for virtual beings in telecom-grade accessibility and municipal service delivery. Daxiang Wushen's AI Vista and Feidian Yundong's Virtual Digital Human Mo Xiaoyu feature at the Global Digital Trade Expo as applied virtual being products, and Nanning Fungi Culture Communications Zhu Xiaobai lowers story-to-screen barriers by auto-generating short dramas and demonstrating a multilingual digital human. WorkBrain's 1010 Digital Human Festival and V5.5 release focus on intelligent agent evolution, while Guangxi Changyi's Digital Dog Certificate shows adjacent identity tech used at scale that often co-exhibits with virtual being showcases in the same venues, collectively mapping a spectrum from festival-grade IP and expo demonstrations to creator tool production and cultural interaction. Stable Dub, Taming Diffusion Prior for Generalized and Efficient Visual Dubbing describes a dual-modal visual dubbing system that aligns speech audio with video to preserve speaker-specific lip habits while remaining robust to occlusions. Using a lip habit-aware modeling framework that jointly exploits audio and visual cues, and an occlusion-robust synthesis method with a mask exposure training strategy to reconstruct plausible lip geometry and local appearance when the mouth is blocked. It improves efficiency by removing redundant diffusion priors and adopting a hybrid MABA transformer architecture for faster spatio-temporal convergence without degrading output qualities. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.